Hi, this is Skoggit and Mrs. Skoggit, and we're going right now. We're en route to down to the Walmart, and woke up this morning, and it's the weather called for no chance of rain. Here it's Father's Day. I'm going to fire up the smoker and barbecue and everything. They called for no chance of rain, and what's happening is it's raining out here. It's not going to mess with my barbecue though, because I'm going to keep on barbecuing. But I'm going to go ahead and show you what it's doing around here. And these aren't really severe storms, what's rolling in here. Or just rain is all what it is. But we'll go ahead and take a little footage of it. It's not like the last video where they were all severe and everything. These are just kind of a light thunderstorms. That goes to show you can't like depend on the weather for anything, because the weather said there was no chance of rain. It's supposed to be hot and sunny today, and this is just, it seems like when they're saying we don't get rain, and then we do. So we're just going en route to Walmart. I need to get a few things. I forgot a few things yesterday when I was over there for the barbecue day. And I'm going to be firing up that smoker, and I don't care if it rains, shines, or what. I'm going to fire it up. I got a bunch of friends coming over to eating my barbecue, and I'm going to make some pulled pork shoulder, grill up some sausage, and make some baked beans along with some roasted veggies. So it should be pretty decent. Every time I go to Walmart, it seems like I forget something. And it don't look like these storms are going to last too long. Looks like it's kind of clearing off to the north of us. But like I say, it's not like the ones that we had before. Let's see if I can back into this spot, which I know I can. I'm good at backing here.
Right there.
Well, we made it down to the Walmart, and like I say, these thunderstorms, they're just real light. It's not anything severe, and This is Skoggit. I just want to wish all the fathers out there. I'm one myself. Happy Father's Day, and that's with being Mrs. Skoggit. Look, she's getting ready to go to Alaska here. I tell you, I don't know what to say. I think I married an Eskimo. This is Skoggit, and like I say, happy Father's Day to all of you fathers out there. I'm going to go into Walmart and get what I need, and appreciate all you viewers, subscribers out there, and y'all take care.